a lot of this type of work really requires that you have a bandsaw that will cut progressive bevels. Now, ship saws are a tool that's been invented and made by many, many companies over the years, but I don't think there's anybody making one any longer. So, you know, if you want a saw that cuts progressive bevels, don't count on buying a ship saw, because you won't find one. And this saw right here is powerful, it works great, and I've done a number of different things to it so that I can cut progressive bevels on it. Let me show you. I put a lever arm on the table, so I can just move the table anytime I want, just like this. So what's going to happen is I'm going to be sawing a line on a piece of wood like this, and I've got the bevels written on the line, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's got a progression of 5 degrees in it, and basically what you do is you sit down here on this block of wood, and if you like, you can put your knee up like this, because then you can put your elbow on your knee, and you get a nice progression of bevels like that, you know, because you're not just like holding it in the middle of air. So it works out pretty well. So that's what we're going to do. Tom's going to do the changing of the bevel, and I'm going to do the sawing. 5 degrees?
5 degrees.
Okay. Like I said, I'm going to call the degrees out, and Tom's going to make the table coordinate with what I call out. So I'm going to start at 5 degrees. And you're going to cut a straight line, and then after that I'll cut a curved line. Okay. 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 7 3/4, 8, 8 1/4, 8.5, 8 3/4, 9, 9 1/4, a half, 3/4, 10. Okay, yeah, now set it right down to 0 again. There you go. Yeah. Now that's a progressive bevel right there of 5 degrees. Now, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut a curved one, and we're going to cut a little bit more bevel in it than that. I'm going to start at 0. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right? We're going to do it again. So I cut one progressive bevel in a straight line. Now I'm going to cut one on a curved line. This is very much what you're going to do when you're making the molds for the boat, because the molds are going to be cut to bevels. I'm not going to cut the molds square edge like a lot of people do. I'm going to cut them to bevels. It's more work, but it makes a really nice job. And basically what's going to happen is I'm going to have the pieces out like this and kind of down on an angle like this when I'm cutting, and the other guy's going to be changing the table. So let's cut a curved bevel now. Start right at 0. All right, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10. Okay, set it right down. All right. So, those cuts were made to a progressive bevel. This last cut I just did was 0 on this end. It's 10 degrees on that end. So you get a 10-degree change in bevel from one end of this little piece to the other. You know, I won't be cutting bevels with that much progression in them. So we know that the saw cuts perfectly well with that kind of progression, and that's what's required right there. So this is the perfect tool for doing that type of work, and it's got that miracle surface on it here, and slides really nice like the other tools do, and it's going to make that process quite easy. Powermatic.